Welcome, Durandi here with Foods 101. Today, I'm showing you how to make this one-skillet gnocchi with vodka sauce. You heard that right, gnocchi with vodka sauce. It's scrumptious and a perfect, quick and easy weeknight dinner recipe for you. The ingredients you're going to need is 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 tablespoon of tomato puree, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 largely chopped scallot about this size. You need about 1 or 2 tablespoons, 2 cloves of garlic chopped very finely about this size. If you don't like garlic, you can leave it out, but if you leave it out, you're missing out on a whole lot of flavor. 1 16-ounce bag of gnocchi. You can use the mini size or the regular size. 1 cup of tomato puree. You can find this in the can section of the supermarket where you just find your chopped or diced tomatoes. 1 pinch of crushed red peppers. You want to make sure you just use a pinch. This will give this pasta dish just enough heat to where you're wanting more. 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, 2 tablespoons of vodka. I am using the vodka with the apple and ginger flavor. I really didn't know what I was getting until I got home with it, so we'll see how it turns out. But you can just go ahead and use regular vodka or any kind of vodka you have on hand. And last but not least, we need 1/2 cup of water. Let me show you how simple and easy this is to get together. I've got a large skillet over medium-high heat. We're going to heat that olive oil. Just going to pour it in here and let those 2 tablespoons heat up. Next, we're going to add the shallots and the garlic. They smell absolutely fantastic. You can cook this for about a minute. That's all it's going to take. Add that tomato paste. If your heat starts getting too warm on you, you can turn it down to medium heat, along with your oregano and your pepper flakes. If you want this with a little bit more heat, you can add a little bit more of those pepper flakes. Now it's time to add that vodka. You want to reduce the vodka by half its liquid, and that looks great. It took about 30 seconds. It's time to add our tomato puree. Be sure to use a spatula so you can get it all out of there because it's lovely and thick and rich, but you want to make sure you don't leave any behind in the measuring cup. And give this a lovely little stirring. Oh yeah, this is going to be absolutely fantastic. And if you could be here and smell how fantastic this is, and I have some that went over the side of the skillet there, I'm adding about maybe a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You don't want much. And I'm going to add a little fresh cracked pepper. Even though we have a little heat in there from those crushed peppers, this is black fresh cracked pepper, and it'll take it to another level of flavor. I added my 1/2 cup of water when the video wasn't on, and I've got my water incorporated, and I'm going to add the gnocchi. Stir this around for the next 4 to 5 minutes until your little potato dumplings are nice and warm. And if you could be here and smell how fantastic this is, I'm going to turn down my heat to medium. It's up a little too high right now. I'll be back in 5 minutes. After 3 minutes, my gnocchi with vodka sauce is looking like this. And look how fantastic that's bubbling along. We're going to give it 2 more minutes. The 5 minutes are up. Turn it off my timer, and you're going to remove this off the heat. Over here on another burner, we're going to add that heavy whipping cream. And you want to make sure when you stir your gnocchi, you use a spoon, push in, because you don't want to mash up your little potato dumplings here. And we're going to just incorporate this until that heavy whipping cream is this lovely, beautiful color that we're going to mix in with our tomato puree and tomato paste. Oh, it smells so fantastic. But be sure that you don't mess up your little dumplings by running your spoon into them. You see that? And just bring it right into the center. Oh yeah, looky there. Time to serve. Here's that gnocchi with vodka sauce. Oh my yums. I'm going to put a little bit of Parmesan cheese here on the top. Yeah, did you see that dumpling just fall down? with a little bit of fresh parsley. Not necessary. The test of time. I gotta try it. Smells so good. Wow. Perfect. Rich. Delicious. Tomato puree. The garlic. The shallots. It is just one fabulous, simple and easy meal. The little dumplings are like little pillows you just bite into. I forgot to tell you, you can't even taste the vodka. It just gives it another level of rich flavors. Delicious. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Leave me a comment. Give me thumbs up. Hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, you all. Stay safe, and I'll catch you lovely people later.